Boy. Hello, good afternoon. Is this customer service? Representative. Good afternoon. Yes, you're speaking to customer service. How can I assist you today? Boy. I recently bought a product from your store, but I'm really unhappy with it. It hasn't worked properly since I got it, and I'd like some help with this, please. Representative. I'm sorry to hear that you're experiencing issues. Could you please tell me what product it is and what specific problem you're having? Boy. Sure, it's a pair of wireless earbuds. I bought them last week, but they aren't holding a charge for more than an hour, and the left earbud is barely working. The sound is so low it's hard to hear anything. Representative. I see. That sounds very frustrating. You said you purchased them last week, right? Boy. Yes, that's right. I bought them exactly 7 days ago, and I've had issues since I first used them. I thought maybe they just needed a full charge, but even after charging them overnight, the same problems kept happening. Representative. I understand. Thank you for explaining. Could I ask if you have the receipt or any proof of purchase with you? Boy. Yes, I have the receipt right here. I kept the box and everything that came with it, just in case something went wrong. Representative. Great. Having the receipt will make it easier to check the details of your purchase. And just to confirm, have you tried using the earbuds with different chargers or tested them on different devices? Boy. Yes, I've tried several things to make sure it wasn't an issue with my phone or the charger. I even tried using a different charging cable and adapter, but it didn't help. They still run out of power quickly, and the left side barely has any sound. Representative. Thank you for trying all of those steps. Since you've already done some troubleshooting and the issue remains, we can move forward with finding a solution. Just to be thorough, could you confirm the exact model of the earbuds? Boy. Sure, they're the XYZ Pro model. Representative. Got it. Thank you. Let me check our system for information about this model. I'll see if there are any known issues with it, or if we have guidelines for dealing with these kinds of problems. Boy. I appreciate that. I was really looking forward to these working well, but they've just been a hassle so far. Representative. I completely understand, and I'm sorry this has been disappointing. I'll do everything I can to help you. If you don't mind my asking, were there any other issues apart from the battery and the low sound in the left earbud? Boy. No, those are the main problems. The sound is fine on the right side, but it just doesn't match on the left, which makes it hard to enjoy music or even listen to calls clearly. The battery issue is the biggest problem because they die after an hour, even if I'm not using them continuously. Representative. Thank you for those details. It sounds like a defective product, especially since the issues began right after your purchase. I can see why you're disappointed. Would you prefer a replacement for the earbuds, or would you rather receive a refund? Boy. Honestly, I think a refund would be best. I'm concerned that if I get another pair, they might have the same issues. I'd rather use the money to buy something else that I know will work better. Representative. That makes sense. We definitely want you to be satisfied with your purchase, so I'll do my best to help you with this. Let me check our company's policy on refunds for this type of product. It might take a few moments. Boy, no problem. Take your time. I appreciate you checking on this for me. Representative. Thank you for your patience. According to our policy, defective products are covered within a certain period, and since it's been only a week since your purchase, I believe you qualify for a solution. Let me confirm that with my supervisor to make sure we can proceed with a refund. Boy. Okay, that sounds good. I just want to make sure this issue is handled properly, and I really don't want to go through this again with another pair. Representative. Absolutely, I understand. I'll check with my supervisor just to be certain. It's important to us that you feel satisfied with the resolution, so I'll find out what we can do. Boy, thank you. I appreciate that. It's nice to know you're taking the time to look into this thoroughly. Representative: You're very welcome. I know how frustrating it can be to have these types of issues, especially with a new purchase. I'll be right back after I speak with my supervisor and confirm the next steps. Boy, thanks. I'll wait. Representative: Thank you for your understanding. I'll return shortly with an update. Representative: Thank you for waiting. I spoke with my supervisor and we have a few options available for your situation. Boy: Great, thank you. What are the options? Representative: Since the earbuds are defective and you reported the issue within our policy period, you have two options. First, we can replace the earbuds with a new pair of the same model at no extra cost. Second, we can process a full refund. Boy, I see. I think I'd prefer a refund. I'm just not sure if I want to risk the same issue with another pair. Representative: I understand completely. Many customers choose a refund if they're not satisfied with the product's quality. Let me walk you through the refund process, if that's your final choice. Boy, yes, I think I'll go with the refund. Could you tell me more about how that works? Representative: Of course. For the refund, you'll need to return the earbuds along with the original box and accessories. Do you still have everything that came with the product? Boy, yes, I have everything. The box, the charging case, and the extra ear tips. I kept them all just in case. Representative: Perfect. That will make the process smoother. Once you bring everything in, we'll inspect the items to make sure everything is in order. After that, we'll start the refund process. Boy, and how long does the refund usually take? Representative: Typically, refunds are processed within 5 to 7 business days. If you paid by credit or debit card, the amount will be credited back to the same card. If you paid by cash, we can issue a cash refund on the spot. Boy, that sounds good. I used my credit card, so I guess it will go back there. Representative: Yes, exactly. After the inspection, you should see the refund in your account within the 5 to 7 day period. You'll also receive an email confirmation once the refund has been processed. Boy, thanks. That sounds simple enough. Do I need to fill out any forms for the refund? Representative: Yes, there's a short form to complete just to confirm the return details. You can fill it out in-store when you bring the product back, or I can email it to you if you prefer to do it in advance. Boy, I'll fill it out in-store when I bring everything back. That should be easier. Representative: Great, that works. Just to confirm, are you able to visit the store within the next few days? Boy, yes, I'll probably come by tomorrow. Do I need to bring anything else besides the earbuds and the receipt? Representative: No, the earbuds, the accessories, and the receipt are all we need. If you have any issues finding the store, or if there are any changes, feel free to contact us before coming in. Boy, all right, that sounds good. Thank you for explaining everything clearly. Representative: You're very welcome. I'm glad we could help find a solution. Is there anything else you'd like to know about the process? Boy, no, I think you covered everything. I appreciate it. Representative: Happy to hear that. I'll make a note here that you'll be visiting tomorrow for the refund. That way the staff will be prepared to assist you when you arrive. Boy, thanks, that's helpful. It'll make things quicker when I get there. Representative: Exactly, we want to make it as smooth as possible. Once again, I apologize for the inconvenience you experienced with the product. Boy, no worries. I understand things can go wrong. I'm just glad there's a solution. Representative: We appreciate your patience and understanding. If you encounter any issues with the return or have more questions, please feel free to contact us. Our phone number and email address are listed on the receipt, so you can reach us easily. Boy, thank you. I'll make sure to reach out if I have any issues. I'm looking forward to getting this resolved. Representative: Absolutely. We'll do everything we can to make it a smooth process for you. We look forward to seeing you in store tomorrow, and once the refund is processed, you'll receive a confirmation by email. Boy, great. That sounds perfect. I'll bring everything I need and come by tomorrow. Representative: Wonderful. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to resolve this for you. If there's anything else in the future, don't hesitate to contact us. Boy, thanks a lot for your help. I appreciate it. Representative: You're very welcome. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Boy, thanks. You too. Representative: Take care and goodbye for now. Find the mistake. Incorrect. I'd like to complain about this product. Correct. I'd like to complain about this product. Explanation: Complaint is a noun, while complain is the verb form needed here. Incorrect. The amount will be credited back to your card. Correct. The amount will be credited back to your card. Explanation: Credit should be in the past participle form, credited, to match the passive voice here. 5 vocabulary words. Defective: Not working properly, having a problem or fault. Replace: To exchange something for a new one of the same kind. Refund: Money given back to a customer when they return a product. Process: A series of steps taken to complete something, like a refund or exchange. Confirmation: Proof or a message that something has been done or approved, like an email confirming a refund. If you want to learn how to ask for a haircut and explain your desired hairstyle in English, click the video here or follow the link in the description.